Hey folks, my name's Dene and we're on a 5-minute guitar lesson promise, so let's get started straight away.
Horses, yeah, yeah, way up in the sky, little darling. And if you fall, I'll pick you up, I'll pick you up.
So today I'm teaching you this song in the key of G. So the chords are an A minor, a C, D, an E minor, an F, and a G. And there's one other variant, which is a C that I slide up to the 3rd fret, sounds like this. You'll see how that comes together later in the lesson. So what makes this song so great for Campfire guitar? Well, basically it's the feel-good summertime lyrics. It's just a great song to sing and play. Plus it's got an easy 4-chord progression in the verse, which I'm about to show you, that only requires 2 fingers, 4 chords, and a simple picking pattern. So let's get into that right now. And a big shout out to one of my loyal followers, Melissa, who requested this song specifically. So Melissa, this one's for you.
We will fly way up high, where the cold wind blows, in the sun, laughing, having fun, with all the people like you.
Right, the chords to the verse, the bass chords are a G, an D, an E minor, and a C. But I've got an easier version that only requires 2 fingers, and I actually did another video on this exact chord progression using 2 fingers and 7 contemporary songs. I'll leave the link above. But this is another one of those songs where you can just do it like I demoed before. 2 fingers only, focusing on the bass strings. And you'll notice that there's a consistent ringing of the G string throughout that 4-chord progression. There. I'm emphasizing it. To make this easier to learn, don't forget to download the free song sheet. The link is below. Access it from a Patreon page. And while you're there, you might as well download all of my song lessons so you can have an instant song repertoire. So the pre-chorus starts on a C shape, and then you're sliding the C shape up 2 frets to the 3rd fret. So if you were to strum this, it would be,
Can't you hear her? Oh, she cries so loud.
but keeping my theme of the 2 fingers only, you're going to be fingering those 2 strings there. I'll put the screw on the screen. That's a C major 7, and then you're just sliding those 2 up 2 frets. And we're going to do this finger picking pattern.
Can't you hear her? Oh, she cries so loud over water and clouds.
Straight to the G, and then we move straight into the chorus. Hey folks, if you enjoy this 5-minute quick-fire guitar lesson format, be sure to subscribe, turn the bell notifications on, but only do it if you think you're going to watch more of these lessons. The key to the chorus is all about timing, the timing of the chord changes with the lyrics. So the chords are a C, a G, I'm doing a bar G, but you can do the open G, right? G, A minor, F. And that G to A minor transition is a very quick single beat transition. It goes like this.
That's the way it's gonna be, little darling. You go riding on the horses, yeah, yeah. Up in the sky, little darling. If you fall, I'll pick you up, I'll pick you up.
Back to the top of the song, which is another verse. So with the chorus, just slow it down and just do the basic down strum until you get the timing right. So there you have it folks, the building blocks to this song in just 5 minutes. If you like this style of tutorial, be sure to let me know, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next week.
Way up in the sky, little darling. And if you fall, I'll pick you up, I'll pick you up.